Hello everyone, and today I will be talking about one of my, not one, it is my favorite topics in mathematics. It's how to find the minimum point of a quadratic function. So, a quadratic function, as you could see, here is its formula. Y is equal to x squared plus y is equals to x squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so I'm sorry for my art skills. I am not an artist, so don't judge. So, well, this right here, this curve line, it's called a curve. So when we see the curve has 2 points up and has the curved part down, it means it's positive, meaning that it's gonna have a minimum point. But if it's vice versa, 2 points are going down and it has the bent curved part up, then it's y equals to negative x squared. So minimum, meaning that it's gonna have a maximum point. So as I said, here is its formula, and let's say that we already have an equation, which is gonna be like y equals to, let's say, x squared minus 3x. So this is the formula, not the formula, but the equation. This is the formula. So my ax squared is this. There is a 1 here, but we don't usually write 1, and this is just squared to the power of 2. And this is my bx, negative 3x. You might ask where is my c, but the c is just plus 0 and there is no use for writing it. Okay, so now, as I've already said, okay, just ignore this. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 3. Just to tell you that if you see a sign like minus in front of a number, that means that it's the sign of a number. You see, it just says 1. It doesn't say minus or plus. If it doesn't say that, then it means it's positive. Okay, so now let's look at our c. We don't have a c, meaning that c is equal to 0. So now, what we could do with this information is that we could substitute. No, we don't need to substitute, but to find the minimum point or the maximum point, it doesn't really matter. You have to use this formula. Negative b over 2a. We see that our b is negative 3, but we have to find the negative b of it. So negative b is going to equal to, let me, one sec. So it will equal to negative, in parentheses, negative 3, which is gonna equal to 3. So now we have got 3 over, okay, we've got 3 over that. And now our a, as we said, our a is equal to 1. So, and then you have a multiplied by 2. So 1 multiplied by 2 is equals to 2. Yes. So now, after we have this information, we could convert it to a mixed number, which is gonna be 1 over 2. And if we convert it into a decimal, it will be equal to 1.5. And that is our x. So remember, 1.5 is our x. Okay, so now what we could do is take that and now write our formula, which was y equals to x squared minus 3x. So this was our formula. And now we just substitute. So our x is 1.5. So now what we do is we write this like this. 1.5 squared is going to be 2.25. I'm so sorry. So now after we do that, let me erase this. Yep. So it will be 2.25. This, let me quickly write the 5 normal. I could have saved so much time if I would be better at writing on the computer, but it's my first time, so don't judge. What the hell? Anyways, so now we got this, and now 3x. Our x, as I again mentioned, is 1.5. So 1.5 multiplied by 3, by negative 3, remember this, is gonna equal to negative 4.5. So now we get this, and our answer is going to be, so y is gonna equal to negative 2.2, I think, 25. Yes, it should be negative 2.25. So that's our y. Okay, and we found the negative point. We have found the minimum point of this. We found the minimum point of this graph, or we could say this equation. Our minimum point is like this: 1.5. That's our x coordinates, and let me put this here, and our y coordinate is gonna be negative 2.25. So that's how we found our minimum point. So yeah,